Bro, you ever notice there's a limit to how many times you can cough in a quiet room? Like you get maybe 2 chances. First cough? Totally normal. Nobody cares. Second cough? All right. People start noticing, but you're still safe. But that third cough? Oh no. Now the whole room thinks you're about to start a disease outbreak. So now you're sitting there fighting for your life, trying to hold it in. Your throat is burning, your eyes are watering, and you're doing those tiny fake coughs like... Meanwhile, the real cough is sitting in your chest like a loaded shotgun. And the worst part is when it finally comes out. It's not even a normal cough anymore. It's loud, dramatic, echoing through the entire room. Now everyone turns and looks at you like you just activated a boss battle. All because you passed the unofficial 2-cough limit.